Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call back Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can I will share my video. Remember ring subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No when me a notification bell no. Send me the video. Pia bet one sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The best one is a bear salt vanilla cake. A bear use 4 egg, 170 grams sugar, vanilla. Now we're beating that together. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Look at the description box now. Ingredients in our home. Only 120-gram oil account. Me use olive oil. We bet me use sunflower oil. The one now be use. We are now with the 80-gram milk. We dey go little at a time. We go swear the EBT. We be here no. Now the 200-gram all-purpose flour, 30-gram potato starch, salt, baking powder, and we're sieving it together. We're sieving no. Now we're mixing it now. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are now the condensed smoker the account. What we go prepare grease cake pie mo. With the sugar, egugu eso by optional pound fire the enka ho. What baking 180 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, na wayi. Na wa serve and that's what manager. My just need I will share my video. Remember ring subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me a notification bell no. Send me the video. Pia better one sabeka. Me na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. And also it's very soft and fluffy. On this our vanilla cake recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.